Hey guys, it's Bradley Sutton from Helium 10 here, and today we're going to be talking about Magnet and how to use the feature called Top Products in order to get some really important keywords that you need to be ranking for your listing. So right here, if you notice, I opened up Magnet and I did a search for travel laundry detergent sheets. And so for those of you who already know how to use the basic Magnet, you can see it gave me all of the different keywords that can be related to this. But what it also does is this pink section here, you see it says top products. Basically, these are the top selling products that are on the search page for this search term. And just so we can validate that, let's go ahead and copy this phrase here and search for it on Amazon. And those are sponsored ads there, but you can see three of the top ones right here: Lucky Fiji, Wash Ease, and Travel On. And those are the exact products here. So now you know what are the top 3 selling products on this search, but how can you use that information? Well, if you look at the text down here, it says click to open in Cerebro, which is our reverse ASIN tool. So I'm going to click on each of these. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to do the search. I should have probably done this search before. Yes. So I'm just going to do a new search. Let's do it over again. Let's reverse search all of these. For those of you who don't know, Cerebro is our reverse ASIN lookup tool. So basically what this is doing, I'm running Cerebro on each of these ASINs, and it's going to tell me all of the search terms that these ASINs are ranking for within like the top 300 or top 15 to 20 pages or so. So why is this even valuable? Well, I'm looking here at this LG laundry detergent sheets. They were the #1 seller on that page. They had Amazon's choice. So I want to see, well, what are they ranking for? What's giving them their sales? Amazon doesn't tell you where their sales are coming from, but take a look at this. I searched by the most searched for words, and travel laundry detergent came up. They're position 2 on that. Laundry sheets came up. They're position 2 on that. So based on that, I'm thinking, okay, well, those are 2 pretty important keywords, but you don't want to base your keyword research just on one competitor. So that's why we put the 3 of them. So just as an example, let's go to one of these others, Wash Ease. I'm going to search or sort by exact phrase search volume. And look at this, travel laundry detergent. They're also ranked on page 1. Laundry sheets, they're ranked on page 1. Laundry detergent sheets ranked on page 1. So now as you go, you're getting this feeling, wow, well, multiple listings in my niche are all ranking on page 1 for a certain select few number of keywords. And so that's exactly how you can use this tool. How again this started, I went to Magnet, I typed in a search phrase, it gave me the top products on the page, I took it to Cerebro, and I just did some quick analysis there, and just in the last 4 minutes, I was able to pull 2-3 really important keywords if my product is similar to this. Hope you guys found that helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.